Hey guys, I'm Carrie and welcome to my channel. Today I have IPSY. It's a $10 a month subscription. You get about 5, trial size products. Sometimes you get more, sometimes I got a full size Huda lipstick one time. I mean, it's just, and what's really amazing is if you fill out your preference sheets, and you fill out, like your commentaries and stuff like that, what everything's about, then you're bound to get better products in each service. So for this month, it's for March 2019. This is the bag, and off she goes to change the world. Isn't that pretty for Women Empowerment Month? The first item I have is a highlighter from Pure Cosmetics. Let me get it out of its package. This is a highlighter from Pure Cosmetics. It's very pretty. It's got almost a gold sheen to it. Let me swatch that for you really quick. And I like that. I think that's a very pretty color. That'll go very nicely on my pale skin. Second product, you know what? Actually, there's the paper right here. I should have read this to you guys before. This Pure Afterglow Mini Highlighting Skin Perfecting Powder. Pure is known for makeup made with healthy ingredients that improve your skin from the inside out. Made with skin nourishing keratin complex, this reflective powder has an iridescent gold shimmer that blurs imperfections while giving you lift from within radiance. The second product I have here, and this is what I've really been looking forward to, is a Morphe. There, the light's kind of reflecting it. The Morphe, what is it? Bronzer. I can't remember. The Morphe bronzer. And this is a color. It has like a yellowish undertone to it, so it's gonna do nice for medium to light medium. For those kind of skin colors. Darker may not show up too bright, but let's just give it a whirl and see what it looks like. And here it is right here. Very, very pretty. I think that I can definitely work with that. And what it says on here is the Morphe Mini Bronzer and Enemy. Morphe encourages everyone to express their creativity, which is what makeup is all about in our opinion. The velvet bronzer blends onto your skin seamlessly, so application is a cinch. Plus it's matte, so there's no sparkle or shimmer. Just a total natural looking sun-kissed glow. I really like that. That's really neat. And then our third product here is Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Butter Body Butter. The founder of this brand, a former actress with Power Rangers villain, yes really, draws from Asian beauty secrets to develop this gorgeous formulas. Infused with coconut oil to hydrate and coffee to energize, this body butter leaves your skin glowy and super soft. Let me go ahead and take the sniff test. There's not much of a smell there, but it's very hydrating. I tried it on earlier. It's a very hydrating lotion. And then next is a Yensa BC Foundation in Light. It's a BBCC foundation. Yensa embraces diversity and beauty and empowers women to pursue their passions. This creamy foundation does a whole lot of good for your skin. It's a BBCC and full coverage foundation in one that acts as a moisturizer, primer, blemish fighter, and more. I did try this on earlier, and it is a little bit cool tone for me, so I'm going to probably pass this on to my mom. And the last product, this is by IPSY Beauty. This is an eye color. It's so creamy. It's so creamy, guys. So buttery. And it's this one right here. and it's like a coppery, metallic coppery color, and I think it is so nice, and it'll definitely go pretty on my eyes with my blue eyes. And the product says, this velvety powder shadow is a stapling art kit for creating a cut crease or using as a transition shade for a smoky eye. What's more, the formula is vegan, free of talc, mineral oil, and parabens, and is infused with rosehip seed oil to help protect the delicate skin in your lids. So, these are the products that I received today. And it's monthly, so I love their bags. They're so cute. You can donate them full of women's products, you know, like monthly products that they need into women's shelters. And I don't know, we're going to find some fun ideas for these bags, and maybe we could do a DIY with them or something. Once again, the products in this channel are my own opinion, and I don't have anyone paying me to make any certain saying anything. So everything is purely my opinion, and I really appreciate you joining in and seeing my very first video. And if you like my content, if you kind of like my vibe, then go ahead and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a blessed day.